Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zinger burger sauce at home. First, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. For that signature zing, add 1/2 teaspoon of hot sauce. Don't forget 1/4 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder, plus a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Now that you have all your ingredients ready, it's time to mix. Pour the mayonnaise, chili sauce, mustard, and hot sauce into a small mixing bowl. Sprinkle in the garlic powder, onion powder, and sugar. Using a small whisk or a fork, stir everything together vigorously. Continue mixing until the sauce is completely smooth and all the spices are fully incorporated, leaving no visible lumps. After mixing, it's crucial to taste your Zinger burger sauce. This is your chance to customize it. If you prefer more heat, add another dash of hot sauce. For a sweeter profile, a tiny bit more sugar can make a difference. Once perfected, transfer your delicious sauce into an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, ready for your next burger night. Your homemade Zinger burger sauce is now ready to elevate any meal. It's absolutely perfect slathered on a crispy chicken burger, but don't stop there. Try it as a dipping sauce for your golden fries, chicken tenders, or even as a spread in your favorite sandwich. It adds a fantastic flavor boost to so many dishes. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.